Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the revision of chapter 1 of your grammar book, the sentence. Today we will revise how to change one form of sentence into another. Open page number 10 of your grammar book. First of all, we will learn how to change assertive sentences into interrogative sentences. So to change assertive sentences into interrogative sentences, we have to place helping verbs at the beginning of the interrogative sentences, and a question mark is placed at the end of every interrogative sentence. Now let us take one example. He is playing football. Now in this sentence, your helping verb is. We will place this helping verb at the beginning of the interrogative sentence. Is he playing football? And a question mark is placed at the end of every interrogative sentence. Now next is how to change interrogative sentences into assertive sentences. Now to change interrogative sentences into assertive sentences, we have to place helping verbs after the subject in the assertive sentences. Now let us take one example. Can he easily do his work? Here your helping verb is can. We will place this helping verb after the subject he in the assertive sentence. He can easily do his work. Also we put a full stop at the end of every assertive sentence. Now next is how to change positive sentences into negative sentences, or we can say affirmative sentences into negative sentences. Let us take one positive sentence. He is going to the market. So when we have to change positive sentence into a negative sentence, only we have to add the word not after the helping verb. Here our helping verb is. So we will add the word not after the helping verb in the negative sentence. And our negative sentence will be he is not going to the market. Now, I hope all of you have understood transformation of sentences. Now, open page number 11, exercise 4 of your grammar book. Exercise 4, page number 11. You have to cross 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th sentence. Now in exercise 5, page number 11, you have to cross 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th sentence. Now open page 12, exercise 6, Now in this exercise, you have to cross first, fourth, ninth and 10th sentence. Now we have crossed these sentences because in class 4, we are not doing transformation of sentences having helping verbs of do family like do, does and did. We have already sent you assignments based on the exercises of this chapter. So all of you have to complete all the exercises of this chapter. Okay? Thank you, students.